Good morning guys, in front of me is Yoga Smart tab and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select system, go to date and time and just switch off network provided time. From now on you can smoothly, by tapping, select the date and also time that you want to use. You can also manage your time zone. Just click on time zone, select region, and then time zone if available. So this is it. This is how you can customize date and time. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just use the stop indicator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.